everyone, I welcome you all on my channel Doctor's Desk. So today we have Dr. Mahima Tripathi with us. She got rank 87 in UPSC CMS 2020. So she gonna share her journey with you all. Hope she can inspire you, and she also gonna explain you about how she got into the UPSC CMS. So hope you all gonna like this video. So before she start explaining her journey, let's kindly share, subscribe and follow our channel. So let's hear her now.
Hello everyone. Before beginning, I would like to thank Dr. Sagar sir for inviting me on Dr. Desk platform. So thank you sir for having me here. My name is Dr. Mahima Tripathi. I have done my undergraduate studies from GSVM Medical College Kanpur. In UPSC CMS 2020, I have got rank 87 and have opted for railway cadre. So I will like to tell about my journey. The pattern of examination and the scheme of examination is very well given in sir's videos. I would like to add a few things. Number one, you need not have a separate source for preparing for UPSC CMS. Just follow previous year questions which are given on the UPSC website. Number two is the number of questions and the number of minutes which you get they are in the 1:1 ratio. So focus which questions can be done in less than a minute, for there will be some questions which would be lengthy and you will be requiring more than 1 minute. The third thing is, because there are two examinations on one day, so we have habit of sleeping in afternoon. Try fixing your sleep wake cycle according to that, so you are prevented from postprandial laziness. After the results for written exam come and interview happens, we have to fill a detailed application form. So try preparing your interview around your DAF a little bit, not much. Few of the questions which I recall that were asked in my interview was, the first one was the full form of NEET PG exam, what is NEET PG stands for. Then subsequently I was asked about pheochromocytoma, hepatitis B management in general population and in pregnant women. Then same diabetes mellitus management in general population and in pregnant women. Then a few of emergency case scenarios about trauma, triage, that's all. The thing is, the scheme is same like we follow in our university vivas. If you know the answer, try attempting it and answer it according to your knowledge. If you don't have any idea, say sorry sir, I don't know, I will read it after the interview. So the board will put another question. This way you would saving your time, and subsequently a question would be put which you can answer, and there is no harm in not knowing one or two few questions, because they know that okay, you are a graduate and the questions will be at the graduate level only. I had no idea about what were different cadres, what are their probation period, training time, etc. So for that I refer to Dr. Desk channel. So there are various videos which you can refer for, like there is separate on IRHS officer for ordinance and subsequently for CGHS also. So after reading the application form, in which brochure everything was given, I refer to the search channel for the same. And also there are few videos regarding to which you can use for interview part, like there are some questions made by the previous IRHS officers who are already working, have given the interview, and they have put some of the questions which they were asked. So I referred that and they were really helpful. In the end, I would like to say a few things. First, always being in competition phase from like 11 12, preparing for state PMTs, all India PMT, then subsequently preparing for post graduation exams. So we really take out time for ourselves and our rejuvenation. So have time for everything, your hobbies, your families, your friends. Don't ignore them totally. Everything is important. Second is, don't be stressed out by anyone else's accomplishments, because you don't know what the other person is fighting for and what are the set of circumstances they are working in. So you know your appetite, you know your capability, your family believes in you. that is all what I think is important, and they will always be proud of your journey irrespective of whether you think yourself less than anyone else or not.